Locked out of your iCloud account? Let's break down your options. First, try Apple's iForgot page. Enter your Apple ID email or phone number, follow the prompts, and reset your password via SMS or email. You can also use the following methods. However, they all require phone number or email. Got a trusted device linked to the account? Password and security. Change password. Enter the device passcode to update your iCloud credentials. When all else fails, MagFone Activation Unlocker bypasses iCloud locks without the Apple ID or passcode. Select Remove iCloud Activation Lock on the main interface. Then click on the Start button. MagFone will put your device into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to manually enter DFU mode to jailbreak. This will take some time, please be patient. Please keep your device connected to your computer during the jailbreaking process. After successfully jailbreaking your device, you can start removing the iCloud activation lock. The device will enter recovery mode. You need to manually enter DFU mode again. After successfully bypassing activation lock, you can use your iPhone.